Why do you love this place? What made you fall in love with it so much?
Well, because it's cool.
The atmosphere, the intellectual people that are here, the sense of security and the amazing animals and growing up with these animals. Learning about the animals, not only are we teaching other people about them, but they teach us as well. So it's a very great experience being here for all these years.
Most of our animals have some type of injury to where they cannot be re-released out into the wild.
No, you can see that he's completely healthy. There you go. He's fine like that, but he's got some neurological problems.
So everything here is injured in some way, or they've just been domesticated.
They were somebody's pet and couldn't be cared for anymore, but they're habituated humans, and so they can't live in the wild by themselves, so we take care of them here.
Ta-da! Since I was 11 years old and I first looked at the skies with a telescope I made myself, I never got over the gee whiz part of it.
It's one of the only planetariums in Southwest Florida, so kind of neat, kind of unique, kind of special to us. That's what we got.
I kind of fell in love with the place, and woods that surround the place, 105 acres, just kind of spoke to us.
This is nature, and that's our statement, connecting people with nature, and that's what it is, because a lot of kids these days don't know what nature is.
I have 4 jobs and a child, but I still come back and volunteer at Calusa Nature Center because it embodies me as a person. It embodies everything that I hold sacred. It embodies my childhood. It embodies everything that I believe in.
I remember my most impactful moments when I was a kid. I can remember the field trips down here.
I think that once people feel the heart of this place, they want to stay, and that's why our volunteers are so important.
So when people pass by our intersection out here, thousands of cars a day, and they don't even know we're here. We've got a digital sign out front, 105 acres, so, slow down and take a look. Stop in.
Because I really believe in this place, and I believe that Fort Myers needs this place.
All right, let's go. Come on. Come by. Up.